What if I told you that a natural compound is showing results that rival one of the most prescribed diabetes medications in the world? Today, we're exposing the truth about berberine versus metformin, and the results might shock you. The debate between berberine and metformin has been heating up in medical circles, with some doctors calling berberine nature's metformin. But is it really that simple? Let's dive into the science and settle this once and for all. Metformin. Before we jump into the comparison, let's understand what we're dealing with. Metformin has been the gold standard in diabetes treatment for over 60 years. Prescribed to over 120 million people worldwide, it's earned its reputation as a reliable medication for blood sugar control. But here's what's interesting. Researchers discovered it was derived from a plant called French lilac, traditionally used in medieval medicine. Berberine. Now meet the challenger, berberine. Used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 3,000 years, this bright yellow compound is found in several plants, including golden seal and Oregon grape. But it's not just ancient wisdom backing it up. Modern science has been uncovering some fascinating results. Let's compare these two on all the parameters. Number 1. Blood sugar control. Here's where things get interesting. A landmark study published in the journal Metabolism showed that berberine matched metformin's effectiveness in controlling blood sugar levels. The study found that both compounds activated something called AMPK. Think of it as your body's metabolic master switch. But here's the kicker. Berberine showed these results with fewer side effects. Number 2. Weight management. When it comes to weight loss, both compounds show promising results, but through slightly different mechanisms. Metformin primarily works by reducing glucose production in the liver and improving insulin sensitivity. Berberine does this too, but research suggests it also influences gut bacteria in ways that could enhance weight loss. A 12-week study showed that berberine users lost an average of 5 pounds more than the metformin group. Number 3. Side effects. Now let's talk about what everyone really wants to know. Side effects. Metformin is known for causing digestive issues in about 30% of users, particularly in the first few weeks. Berberine can also cause digestive discomfort, but studies suggest it's generally milder and affects fewer people. However, and this is crucial, berberine lacks the long-term safety data that metformin has. Number 4. Cost comparison. Here's something your doctor might not tell you. While metformin is often covered by insurance and can cost as little as $4 per month, berberine typically runs between $20 to $40 monthly. But since it's sold as a supplement, you don't need a prescription. Number 5. Absorption and dosing. This is where metformin might have an edge. It's typically taken once or twice daily, while berberine's shorter half-life means you need to take it 3 times a day for optimal results. And here's the really important part. Berberine's absorption can vary significantly between different supplements, while metformin's pharmaceutical grade ensures consistent quality. Number 6. Drug interactions. Pay close attention to this section, because it could be crucial for your health. Both compounds can interact with other medications, but metformin's interactions are well documented after decades of research. Berberine's full interaction profile is still being studied, which is why it's crucial to consult healthcare providers before starting either. Number 7. Heart health benefits. Beyond blood sugar control, both show impressive cardiovascular benefits. Metformin has been shown to reduce heart disease risk in long-term studies. But here's something fascinating. Recent research suggests berberine might have additional benefits for heart health, including improving cholesterol profiles and reducing inflammation markers. Number 8. Anti-aging potential. This is where the research gets really exciting. Both compounds are being studied for their potential anti-aging effects. Metformin is actually part of a major anti-aging trial called TAME. Meanwhile, berberine has shown promising results in longevity studies, particularly in its effects on cellular energy production and inflammation reduction. Who should choose which? Let's break this down practically. Metformin might be your better choice if you have diagnosed diabetes. You want something covered by insurance. You prefer decades of safety data. You want once or twice daily dosing. Berberine might be worth considering if you're looking for a natural alternative. You can't tolerate metformin's side effects. You don't need insurance coverage. You're focusing on preventive health, warning section. This is absolutely crucial. Never stop taking prescribed metformin without consulting your doctor. And if you're considering berberine, get professional medical advice first. These compounds are powerful. Treat them with respect. Optimization tips. Here's how to get the most out of either option. Take them with meals to minimize digestive issues. Start with a lower dose and gradually increase. Monitor your blood sugar regularly. Stay consistent with timing. Consider cycling berberine to prevent tolerance. The truth is, both berberine and metformin have their place in modern medicine. The choice isn't always about which one is better, it's about which one is better for you. Always work with healthcare providers to make these decisions, and remember that supplements like berberine are not regulated the same way as medications like metformin. Have you tried either berberine or metformin? Drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health comparisons, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest research. Your health journey matters, and we're here to help you make informed decisions.